Hi, I'm Dr. Bar Kreiner, and today's video blog is going to be segment 2 about dental lasers that I use here in my office. Today we're going to discuss Cavo's Diagnodent. Basically, this is a laser that functions pretty much like a depth finder does on a boat. A depth finder lets the captain know approximately how deep the water is the boat is in. This laser functions very much like a depth finder, only uses light, and it gives the doctor a good indication of how far decay has penetrated into the tooth. We have in dentistry successfully promoted fluoride. Fluoride hardens up the outer surface of the tooth. Even using digital x-rays, it becomes difficult to diagnose decay in its early form. If the outside of the tooth is hardened up and the inside's turning mushy, the digital x-ray is going to show that everything is staying the same because an x-ray is telling us about density. It's not telling us about penetration of decay. And the example I have on our patient here, 30 years ago when I was in dental school, we would use an explorer and push in this stain pit here and push in the staining in the pit in the distal of the occlusal surface of tooth number 3. We wouldn't get a stick. This wouldn't even merit a watch. But when I used the Diagnodent tool, the Diagnodent tool gave me a reading of greater than 30, which told me the depth of decay was far deeper than just in the enamel. After numbing the tooth and going at it with a 245 carbide burr, I just broke through enamel and look what I found. The stain showing the penetration of the effect of the bacteria and the acid it produced. As I continued a little farther into the dentin, it exploded out even farther in both pits on this particular tooth. By the time I removed all the affected dentin and decay, this was what the final prep looked like for the patient. Size does matter. The smaller the filling, the longer it's going to function. The larger the filling, the shorter life expectancy it has. So for the best return on investment, having tools like this laser to help us diagnose decay in its earliest stages is paramount to getting the best return on investment on your dental care. Have a great day and keep smiling.